Many drugs that treat CNS disorders, including mental health illnesses, contain highly potent active pharmaceutical ingredients that require special facilities, equipment, and highly trained scientists to successfully develop and manufacture these compounds. Here at Altasciences, we have been developing CNS drugs for decades, including psychedelics and products that contain cannabidiols. Our development process starts at the very beginning in our R&D formulations lab, where we develop prototype formulations to support our clients' preclinical research needs. We then manufacture clinical supplies supporting phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials, and finally, we are equipped to scale up and manufacture these products commercially. In addition, Altasciences has a full-service analytical lab to support method development and validation, analytical release testing, and ICH stability testing. Our cGMP manufacturing facility has dedicated grade C and grade D manufacturing clean rooms. This is where we can safely handle and produce highly potent pharmaceuticals, in addition to being able to handle DEA Schedules 1 through 5 compounds. Our scientists utilize special processing techniques such as nanomilling to ensure we achieve the right solubility and bioavailability of these APIs when scaling them up to support clinical trials. We're equipped to manufacture many dosage forms to support our clients' clinical needs, including wet media milling of suspensions, liquid fill capsules, and injectable valve filling where we send out for terminal sterilization. We handle the shipping of these highly potent compounds and controlled substances from site to site within the Altasciences organization, offering the clients a seamless drug development experience from start to finish.